welcome back to Cozy Home. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline and welcome. Today is going to be a collaboration with a group of ladies. This is hosted by My Everyday Wife's Life on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, do so. I just found it and I love her content. She's such a sweet lady. She does collaborations with other YouTubers and she does cleaning, cooking, decorating, and stuff like that, just like my channel. And I think you guys will enjoy it if you do enjoy my channel. I'm going to leave the link below in the description of her channel and also the playlist. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out all of these wonderful ladies' videos throughout this collaboration, and the link is down below. And if you go and check out their videos, please let them know that I have sent you from Cozy Home. And if you come from one of their channels, welcome again, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to declutter an area of my house, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to end up donating to our local church. So let's go ahead and start decluttering. For my fall one box decluttering challenge, I am going to go ahead and go through my closet and get rid of some of the clothes that don't fit me anymore. I had just went through a challenge with DLB just 6 weeks ago, so I just finished that and I had lost quite a bit of weight, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the clothes that are too big for me. And then I'm also going to go ahead and put away my summer clothes so I can bring out all of my fall and winter clothes. I'm going to leave a link below in my description box for the playlist, and also you guys could check out Everyday Wife's Life channel. I'm going to leave her channel below. I already had gathered up some of fall decor that I wasn't going to use this year, so I'm going to go ahead and donate those also. And then I have a coffee pot, like Keurig, I'm going to donate, and some cowboy boots that I no longer wear, so I'm going to go ahead and donate those also. They're kind of big, so I didn't want to put it in this box, but I will be donating those. I hope this challenged you guys to do this fall one box declutter challenge. If it does, please let me know in the comments below, or you can even send a picture on Instagram and tag me at Cozy Home. I would love to see your guys' donation box. I'm trying on this evening gown to make sure that it still fits me. This is the one I use for our military balls, so it does, and I'm so glad I could keep that one. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we
here is all I have left on my hang-up clothes. I tried to only have 30 hangers for my hang-up clothes, and now I'm going to be moving to my dresser. This is a vintage skirt. It doesn't fit me. I'm really sad that it doesn't fit me. I really like it. I don't know if you guys can see the tag. It's a union tag. I don't want to get rid of it. I'm going to see if Sissy wants it. If she wants it, then she can have it for right now until I can get to the size. If she doesn't, then it's going to go up in my pink box, because that's where I'm putting my vintage clothing that I'm not wearing for the season, or I can't fit into it and I haven't wanted to get rid of it. And then these pair of pants, I'm going to see if Sissy wants them, or if they don't fit, because I don't know if these fit or not. I've been wearing jeans. I've been wearing Sissy's pants, so we've been going back and forth, so I'm gonna see if she wants these or not. These pair of pants, you guys probably see me wearing all summer long. I absolutely love them. These are actually jeans, so I'm gonna give those back to her because they are too big for me now. They just make me look like I have a soggy bottom, so I don't want those. For me, moving from left to right, this is where I keep my vintage nightgowns and undergarments and a few of my regular pajamas. And then I have my socks and then undergarments and then my gym clothes. For me, I hate folding socks, so my solution is I just use a Dollar Tree bin and I just put all my socks there. Most of the time, I don't even match my socks when I'm wearing them because I just like to be different. So if you guys are like me and you don't like mating and folding socks, you could do this. I also keep my peppermints in my sock bin. I always like to have peppermints. I usually get upset stomachs or feel nauseous, so I usually will just eat a peppermint and everything. That's my secret candy stash. Do you guys have a secret candy stash? If you do, leave a comment below and letting me know where your secret stash is. So far, I got in my box, oops, my clothes are starting to unfold. I have a couple shirts, hang-up shirts, some sweaters. I also have a dress that I no longer wear. I have some leggings. I have a couple other leggings, but I'm gonna wash them before I donate them. So I have that. What else? I think so far this is what I have. I'm gonna still find some more because I don't like to, I want to go with a full box. So I'm gonna keep adding to this. Sorry it's so dark in here. It's nighttime. So I added some more stuff. I got some sweaters. Here is some cowboy boots that I no longer wear. I put them in a bag, so I don't know, they're not too dirty, but I didn't want it on the clothes. So I put those there. I also have this carrot we no longer use, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate that also. So I got this and all of this. I'm so excited to drop it off tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy my channel, and don't forget to check out all of these wonderful ladies' videos throughout this collaboration, and the link is down below. And if you go and check out their videos, please let them know that I have sent you from Cozy Home. And if you come from one of their channels,